What's going on, everybody? How we doing? Wednesday, August 18th. Ugh. Where's my other window? Oh, what a first 2 days of the week. Let's see how Wednesday wants to treat us. Hopefully a little bit better because we have not had anything. VRPX absolutely took off yesterday, going from $4.15 to this morning all the way up here to $39. Absolutely insane. Sitting around that $30 mark now. But obviously we have no shares available, as you can see here. But there. So not really sure what we're going to do. Alf actually looks like a good hangover candidate. Was actually really, when I first pulled this chart up, I was like, man, if we still have like 200 plus shares available, I was actually really contemplating on trying my first live hangover.
Alf 43 KTB, small stab there but won't be able to size in due to lack of boros. Get it for me, B.
Yeah. What Brian said. This is literally what I was saying as he said it. Couldn't have planned that any better. But yeah, I mean, this looks like a perfect candidate. You get a big move up the day prior. It tries to gap up, like a lot of people were expecting it to do, like VRPX up here, but it doesn't, right? So it starts to come back down, and it's below yesterday's close. So you're looking for that to be a sign that people aren't interested in trying to get this to go higher, which then would create a hangover where it just fails and gives you a nice little pullback. So like I said, if we were up in the 200K range, that would have been pretty perfect. But I don't know if I really want to mess with it just due to the short availability. Because when the market opens, the odds are if this makes any kind of a pop, those shares are going to disappear. Basically, putting me into the trade where I'm at. And if it tries to run up towards 11, I wouldn't have any shares to really continue with it. But it does look like a good hangover play, and I'll probably keep it up on this bottom chart just to watch it, just to see. And really, that was the only thing I had on my list. Let me get this up so it's correct. There we go. And yeah, good luck to everybody. Let me jump into the chat real quick. Good morning.
Definitely had a lot more action than we've been having.
What was your average on Alf, Steve?
89.
Nice. Yeah, that
Oh my God, are you kidding?
What?
I just texted the spa people. I'm on my way. Good morning. My fiance got into an accident last night. Was in hospital. Didn't get discharged until middle of night. Please, after 12:01 anytime today. Please give a few hours to get there.
Oh man.
I mean, where do you
Dude,
buy a bunch of excuses?
I think you need to say I'm not going to service them anymore.
I need to get my money before I do anything else.
Yeah, no, I'm saying after you get your money, I would say, hey, I'm sorry, but you know the way you guys do business doesn't work for me. I can't be carrying around laundry all
Kind of
day.
just hanging out towards the
back and forth with you, and
currently.
it's just, this first experience has just been
Hey,
bad.
Gustavo, thank you for the follow.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put up with that ever again, dude. Honestly, it's not worth
Also
the
an eye on MRNA.
Good morning.
But it makes for a good story.
Good thing you had to rush it.
I know, right?
Yeah,
Literally,
at this point,
last
that's when I'd
Monday.
just be like, I am done.
I
I am
didn't have the audio
done.
on. Sorry.
I mean, this is
Didn't make
crazy.
the sound. I thought I put it back on.
Like,
Apparently not.
what else can happen? All right, she's now injured her fiance. Her other workers had car trouble.
They were getting lunch when you
I mean,
arrived.
getting lunch.
Like which one?
Phone died. I mean, I think at this, she's probably gonna have to kill someone pretty soon.
One? I can't remember. No, that's
Someone's literally gonna have to die.
She's gonna be spread.
Hopefully,
ENVB 480
someone's gonna have to
KTB,
die, and hopefully
looking
it's
for
not me.
par at 2.40-ish. 2.70 would be way better.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Ooh, Alf, I love you. I love you more. I don't love you now. Now I love you.
Oh, would you shut up? Didn't move. Your I don't love you and I love you is at the same price.
He's bipolar.
I'm confused, man. I'm
I
confused.
know. Now I'm just starting to worry about you, Steve.
Otherwise
It
scanner.
has been moving recently.
I don't love you.
I love you. I don't love you. I love you. I don't love you.
Oh, come on. You guys never picked those flowers?
Might not hate
Go,
Billy.
go, go,
Possibly
go. Stop
long-term
talking.
there at some point.
Dropped.
Looking at the daily chart,
VRPX dropped.
pulled back quite a bit.
Shocker.
Good luck, everybody.
Good luck, man.
AZRX earnings.
All right,
See if
market's
we can
open.
make some
Let's go. Hopefully make
monies.
some money. Good luck, everybody.
Come on, man. Load me some charts.
MRNA gonna try and make that the one I gotta trade again today.
TLF. Let's see.
See if he gives a huge pop here at open. Looking for like 415.
ENVB up. Gagu gaga gago.
If there's that drop, man, if that holds under that 29 bucks, it's dead.
I'll be right back.
View 26 KTB.
Hey, man. When you get the runs, you got the runs.
It strikes. It strikes.
Oh, boy. Piss off somebody right now.
Hmm?
The only thing I have up is ENVB, but want a lot more out of
PLCE
it.
earnings.
Alpha's actually holding up better than I thought it would.
Motherfucker. Oh, sorry.
Well, made it to 932. That's not bad.
I'm watching my phone, guys. I can't drive while I'm watching my phone.
Yeah, I'm back. Any CLF?
Oh, there it goes. There goes ALF. I was really expecting 9 pretty quickly. There it goes.
Way NTB.
VRPX. Through the downside. ALF sinking for you, dude.
Nah, I'm already out.
Nice. What'd you get?
936 from 989.
Same with CRCT.
Probably could have held for a bunch more.
See CLF?
Yeah. You good in it?
No, it didn't fill me at 24.50. Went to 51, but didn't fill me.
still got your order out there. Might get you.
I took it off right now. I want it a little higher.
Alf dollar on way.
All right. That works. That's a nice profit. I was in way too big. Got lucky.
Steve getting lucky? No, that's not a thing.
Not in bed. At least in the market.
Penny stock
when
of
are you gonna
choice
post your-
today.
When are you going to post your VPRX trade from yesterday morning till pre-market today?
Oh, I'm still in it, seeing if it wants to go higher.
View.
If not, I
18K2B.
magically got out at the
Daily
top.
is DCB.
I thought you
Hard
took out at
pass
like
for me.
38.75.
Oh, I reloaded my position.
Okay.
VRPX tank.
Yeah, I sold everything at the top. I got back in though on the dip. I'm seeing what it is.
Like at B1.
Come on, man, get with it.
I'm so sorry. I apologize. Your trading is magical. I just don't even know how to follow it.
I mean, you can't follow it, literally.
It's literally magic.
And literally, my trades happen.
It's literally magic.
That's how fast they are.
You know. La, 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 la.
All right.
So are you gonna go to the place at 12 to 1 o'clock?
Gonna wait and see. No, wait and see if we can hear from her. Maybe your fiance will be out of the hospital by then, and magically, fiance. Come on, really? Literally, this is
Vincenzo, yes, I
magical.
did get
You're
it,
gonna have
and
to-
I checked my Coinbase, and everything was fine.
Damn, 9 to 5's costing me money.
Is it?
I got a little one.
Yeah.
What would you have traded?
AMC.
MRNA was prop play of the day. Miss.
That's the one Besh doesn't touch.
Oh, I hate my internet.
I think he just needs to get over it and just hit it.
Got a little
Nice little,
AMC, you suck.
nice little double tap.
Yeah, I was gonna go in half size. I was gonna take one out of your book.
Yeah. Yeah, those are
Literally was on the
always
phone with the
interesting.
boss while I'm watching it happen.
I never even saw it. I didn't even see it pop up on the scanner.
Zim up. Earnings.
Hey, I'm in the CLF, man. This is
Big Co.
frustrating me.
Lots to
I
borrow.
got out.
Oh,
I
Jesus.
took some off there just for fun, dude.
I was gonna I thought about getting back in when it popped up, but I didn't.
I'm looking for a bigger win on this thing, dude. I'm not looking for a freaking tiny little pullback. I want this thing to drop.
I was looking for it to drop too, but I figured first trade and let me make some money.
Yeah, I made a little bit off of it
There's
so
a day out there.
far. Ah, you little piece of crap, man. Just drop on me, dude. Let's go. Oh, yeah. This thing's so
like it did last
frustrating. Alright, I gotta
I
take
hate
it
my
off
internet
there. I
so
made a
much.
little
Alf
bit on
trailing
that.
leftovers.
Wait a minute.
I just don't know how you can be such a
Wait for that thing to work itself out.
Amazing. Thank you so much. See you later.
VRPX is not dead.
No.
VRPX is halting.
Halting.
Matt has tweeted VRPX range makes him sad. I don't really understand.
Oh, he's gotta shut up and just go away.
The thing,
Shut up and die already.
the thing with VRPX, it's like if you really look at it though, the range isn't like, it's not like it's going from 40 to 10. It's, you know, it's kind of in like a $5 to $7 range, but I don't understand why that's not a big range.
ALF.
Was Alpha good cover?
I think it was. Damn.
I think you.
Did I do something
Thank you.
right?
Oh my goodness, you did something right for once.
You should have
Oh my
got back
God.
to the top.
I mean, for
Miracle
now, for
The
now.
markets are broken. Shut it down.
CLF is breaking down now.
Hey, little pop poop.
Look at all those shorts
Yeah,
available now.
honestly,
Now
I'm going to
people
call
all
that from the way
everyone's
it was
covering.
in the pre-market. Once that breaks down below 24, I'm interested. It's got to be down there. I'm willing to give up 35 cents for the better move.
Yeah.
You know, I mean that's the spot. That's the spot on the chart is below 24. Up here is like maybe it stays above it, maybe it doesn't. You know.
And B-Way, if you have shorts on it.
VRPX is halted, right?
Yeah.
None here.
Oh yeah, dude. I wanted big money today, and I have small money.
And CLF is going back up now.
VRPX, you freaking whippy piece of poop. $31.80. It's opening up basically where it's at. ENVB.
Yeah.
That's down. That's cheap. ZIM is cheap. Oh no, it's 48 bucks. What is that thing? What is that thing? That thing's weird. What did Tilray do? Tilray not a zero zilch.
Yeah, Tilray had some kind of news, didn't they? I heard that on the live
Yeah,
traders thing.
I wasn't really paying attention then. Oh, PMCB, that halted
Gather
up.
myself here. Hope my internet doesn't die
I think
again.
she wants to be the next T whatever that thing is. T, not T. That's a crazy one.
VRPX.
That's the one. I think PMCB is trying. It's the sympathy move. CLF back up to the highs. That's why I can't heck with that until it tells me.
Market making a little bit of a move to the downside here.
Patience sucks, but it's how you win in this market. JNPR.
JNPR
We actually
huge
have
co.
shorts on that if you want to look at something wacky.
Carrot.
Lowe's and Home Depot both moving.
That thing's a little too whippy for me.
Yeah, it is pretty whippy, isn't it?
Low huge co.
Especially for not a lot of volume.
APOP 84 KTB.
Like, hey, I don't like how that's trading, man. Oh, would have been a good short. I think probably gonna come all the way back down.
And spread crappy.
Seems like those kind. Seems like that kind stock.
I'm just gonna drop it all. Maybe go red. Alf is not holding up again. Oh yeah, I'm all AMC all the way back down here. That's kind of interesting. AMC. Oh, AMC.
APRE $4.20 with some volume would be nice.
Killing babies.
Why is it going up?
Yeah, it'd be going up there.
No, I think the market actually stopped supporting baby killing.
Yeah, for about 20 seconds.
AMC movie theaters is saving babies' lives.
LOL. Come back tomorrow.
Stop putting butter on popcorn?
I think that's what happened. No more butter. The great butter shortage of.
Guess we'll watch this since there's nothing else to watch at the moment.
There's an everything shortage for 2021. My dry cleaner's having a hard time getting hangers.
Yeah, everything's like that right now, dude.
I'll sell him a 10-pack of hangers for $100.
The RPX is open and it's going to go over 33.
Vesh, I appreciate it, but they're not having that hard of a time.
Holy crap.
MRNA scoop.
Well, if they do, just let them know the offer stands.
I tried to get in and it did not fill me, and I deleted it so fast.
Thing's gonna
I hate it
go
when
up to the next halt. Holy smokes.
It's always scary when you throw that order out and you see it sitting there. I'm like, no, fill it or don't.
If possible, try not to let me trade today.
MRNA dollar on way.
Why?
Because I got lucky once today.
In the wrong
Hey,
room.
you might get lucky twice if you drop those sheets off and get paid.
That's true.
If that happens, you should go right to the lottery and go play the lottery.
And I'll probably go right to the doctor for some like antifungal medicine.
Doctor, pinch me. Am I alive? Also, yeah, I may have herpes from, returning these sheets.
SBLK $22, please.
And there it goes.
How does Matt is not playing this?
I mean, I think he doesn't have shorts, so.
No, but the washout long.
What washout long?
Yeah.
There hasn't been a washout
yeah.
long.
Yeah, you'd have to get the washout
Hold
first.
up. I mean, I'm way lower, way lower. I can't look right now.
He's in?
Yeah.
About to be
Yeah,
out.
I made a lot of money. I just made a lot of money.
Oh, not yet.
MRNA out all.
Kind of making moves right now.
Let's go, man. 39. Go to 39.
Yeah, I took it out there for the last little bit.
Oh, shit.
That was-
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I got in at 33. Oh, something just fell down. 10 PENN. All right, I can't post nothing. Hold on. PENN.
Riot falling off.
I just got an
Market's
alert on
so
that one.
slow.
What is beeping? Oh, PNN.
Hoo at B1.
What is beeping?
Your microwave?
I can't tell what's beeping. It's driving me crazy.
Would you like to play a little game, Devin?
Oh no.
Solve the riddle. I can't do a German accent. Trying to do Die Hard, dude.
Okay. Stop
If you
beeping,
have a
please.
2-gallon jug and a 3-gallon jug, or 5-gallon
Yeah,
jug.
yeah,
Driving
exactly.
me crazy.
If you have a 2-gallon jug and there's a 3-gallon. I actually know the answer.
God, I think it was the washer and dryer. I'm not used to the washer and dryer.
It's 5 and 3.
Opportunities there.
Grandma
If
has
you-
9 kittens. Each kitten has their own.
What are we watching?
The RPX die. It's going to halt
We're
that.
watching Die Hard, apparently.
What has 4 legs and is always ready to travel?
Oh my god, that's the. Hold up.
It's going
Did
to
that just
halt.
hold down?
It's about to.
Yeah, it is.
Yep.
Yep.
Kinda dull, bro.
There's the washout.
There's the washout.
Watch out long. Watch out long.
Incoming Madaz VRPX. No action. No bounce.
Hey Thomas, look at AMC. That'll make you feel good.
Shut up.
Yeah, that's rough. That's rough.
Trust me, I got it up. It's just sitting there. Just pouring
What went
cayenne
down?
pepper on the wound.
On the wiener.
That sucks
Well,
too.
pouring cayenne pepper on the
Dang.
wiener.
Up here.
AMC. Ouchie. Ouchie.
I know, crazy move down. Dude.
Didn't even take all afternoon to do it. It just did it now.
Just went straight down. Hey, I'm done.
It's all those people yesterday and this morning, like, all right, and then all the people that bought right there at the bell. We're going to the moon. Oh shit.
Oh, this
Dear,
is never gonna die.
dear
Oh
diary.
wait. PMCB, 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 PMCB. That is interesting. Let's make some money.
How many trades have you won this morning?
Not that many.
No shares.
One on
Damn.
the left,
Dude.
one on.
What is the float
yeah,
on PMCB? It's not even on our scanner.
I think it's another 2 point something mil.
Yeah, it's low,
Yeah,
low.
is dying.
Mine says 1.6, but never trustworthy.
And that's
Now,
between 1 and 2.
PMCB not on scanner but 2M float and also HTB.
That is why I do not touch those.
Kind of watching this one.
When I was going to St. Ives, I met a man with 7 wives. Every
That's
wife
the
had
one.
7 sacks. Every sack had 7 cats. Every cat had 7 kittens. Kittens, cats, sacks, and wives. How many were going to St. Ives?
What's going on,
What
man?
is this from?
How are you?
It's Dire with a Vengeance.
Struggling to keep my internet going.
My favorite one is the jug one. There is a 3-gallon jug and a 5-gallon jug on the fountain. Fill one of the jugs with 4 gallons. It's actually pretty cool math problem.
What are you watching, Jack?
That's such a good
Yeah.
movie.
That's the halted down.
Yep.
Watching this
We got another
PMCB.
2.5 minutes.
PMCB's got the volume, bro. Just
MRN
rotated
got
a few,
you. He got me
just a few
yesterday.
times.
Yeah.
I was actually gonna short it if it got over 415.
2 million. It's at
and-
56
and then
million.
I lost internet, and I came back. It was below 400. I was like, oh well, look at that. FOMO, good morning. Can you please send me to
Hurry
the
up.
internet company? Be very kind of you.
PX is halted down. AMC is a piece of shit. CLF is just being a dickhead. ALF dancing around.
Watching ARRY needs more though, through 18 at least.
ARRY.
Yep.
Got shorts on that. That's a scary gap fill, dude.
Kind of watching ARRY moving into this.
Some
See
foo
the
in
gap
Airy.
it's trying to enter.
Let's party.
Over 18.
level. Can you please send me a
No
better internet
volume in it though.
Yeah, not true that. I'm not touching it.
Oh, mRNA got you? Got me yesterday.
PMCB.
I was actually gonna short it if it got over.
Where's the hold at? 896. That's kind of scary.
Tesla's still going.
I'd like to see that hold get above 9.
AZRX penny stock.
Yeah.
Not in but watching.
Chicken, dude.
And about 30 seconds. To
$1 make ya holla.
VRPX.
No, that one's a little scary for me at this point in time.
Yeah.
Earnings for what it's worth.
Although it halted right at the spot where I would consider to be a bounce point. I mean, basically.
Mhm.
Does it
Right at
sound like I
VRAP.
care right now? Ha ha ha.
I got a fib line just above it from a while ago.
Oh, watch how long's working! Or wait, did it gap down?
Gap down a little bit.
Oh yeah, it did. Oh, it didn't even fill the gap. Not yet. Oh, 6 cents away. Oh, it's not gonna do it.
Resistance at 18, but the volume's a little bit suspicious.
Incoming. Watch how long with no bounce. Oh no, equal no money.
18.
Are you being,
No, I was not.
what's his name?
There was no accent. I was not trying any accent there. That
I'm
was
still
just what
stuck
came
in
out.
this
Yeah,
German.
that was like a baby German.
What's y'all no money? and they'll go up.
Rain broke over 18 very slowly.
VRPX, you go down so fast. Why you not go back up?
LAC's dropping.
That's not baby Germany.
Yeah, that was like Asian baby.
Baby
I don't know.
Asian now.
How I like it.
I'm not even like trying anything specific. It just kind of comes out.
Now you're just Mr. Lee from The Hangover.
Oh yeah. The favorite part of that movie is when he pops out of the trunk naked.
I know,
Tesla's still going, trying to close that gap.
He really is.
I love that dude's story that he was just like a doctor and he always loved acting and just freaking gave up being a doctor to follow his
Market going
passions.
green, so Beast, if you're still here, your call's probably looking good.
Well, fudge, man. I expected way more out of today. So far.
Nice, you got long on the futures?
My VRPX trade, though, looks nice. It was not big share size.
CLF back up. I'll come back down.
Who?
CLF.
CLF? Nah, dude, I'm waiting for 24 break. I mean, for short. I got an alert created. You guys won't hear it, but I will. No, it's not that one.
Done for the day? Nice.
That one's for downsides.
Wouldn't
That
mind
one's
that
up.
myself.
Wow, 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 wow.
Watching PFE, Pfizer. Yeah, they're popping a bit. Wow, I got zero
I'm not
shorts
hungry
in
and I
Pfizer.
forgot to eat
What's up with
breakfast.
that? Oh my gosh, it's still going. I sold all of my long-term position on this move here. Over 48 on that candle. Wanting to buy back on a dip, but it is not dipping.
What is MDJH? Charlie keeps talking about MDJH.
I had owned some from down here in the 30s.
I don't know.
DJH.
It's halted though.
That I don't have any shares
On 123,000 volume.
Yeah.
I had to keep hearing him say, "Hold it again, hold it again." I'm just like, what is this thing doing?
Can't believe it's still going that strong.
Oh, PMCB just took a turn for the wrong.
I mean, that's straight all-time highs, just straight up.
Yeah, just a little bit. It's gonna halt down.
Ari in some starters, looking for X.34 plus size.
Once again,
Daily
this is why
little scary
patience
on the
is
18 breakout, but shit ton to borrow there and not much else to do.
Now it's gonna
LOL.
go up.
Is it?
I don't know.
It's gonna go up. We should buy it.
True.
I mean, are you sure?
I don't. Can't believe I don't have shorts there though. Like not even. I can't even look.
I am not sure. VRPX
I mean,
costing people
Alf
money.
heavy, added back
we
small.
have the Jag.
Newborns.
100% guarantee that that's going up.
No,
Do you trust it, sir?
not yet.
That's what we need to know. Does Jag trust it?
So imbalance is 701.
APT, no, sorry, but what the hell, man? I expected such a good day.
AHPI is trying.
Hey, the SPY's almost back to even.
SPY's what?
SPY's almost back to even for the day.
AHPI basically HTB.
Ooh, shocker.
I mean, hey, this world.
You guys got shares on AHPI? Could be something
Looks
to
like
look
I
at.
made a good choice to exit the VRPX.
Nope, nothing on
VRPX going
AHPI.
into a death fall here.
SGOC
There you
DCB.
go. There it is.
SGOC
You go
SSR
fast,
76
1 minute trade.
TB. Also DCB. Dead
Get
cat
it
bounce
up.
for anyone wondering.
SGOC trying to halt up at 498.
Longest,
LAC.
man.
SGOC halted. Yeah, ARRY finally.
Sandy Golf
Ryan.
Oscar Charlie halted on the circuit breaker.
Yeah, look at that daily though.
Yeah, that's shady.
Not much to borrow there either. ARRY is, yeah, Scott. We only have 72,000 to borrow. It's SSR and dead cat bounce off the daily.
And VRPX all the way down to the bottom again.
Question is, if this thing curls here on 27, would I want a YOLO long?
Son of a bee sting, man. I was expecting this day to be
Very tight
much
stop
more
underneath.
profitable. Now, AMC is not dead. It's not anywhere good, but it is not
Doesn't look
dead.
like it's going to. Well, see a little bit of a breakdown there, but not much. And right back up.
ALLY is donating a lot of money to black businesses. This is the news, folks. This is the
Tesla
news.
now has basically closed the gap from 2 days ago.
Woohoo!
Son of a bee, dude. Not the day I was hoping for. Although, we had some movement, man. It might have been in pre-market and after hours.
We had a good 10 minutes of
Pushing
things
a little
popping up.
pullback.
Much better than yesterday.
Dude, Vesh, everything's coming off the bottom, bro. I don't know what to tell you for your strat.
Same thing as the last 2 days.
Yeah,
MRIN
I mean, it's.
pulling
I mean,
down.
every single chart I
Just
hear
now
him
broke to
announce,
new
I'm like,
lows,
off the
not
bottom,
interested
off the
there
bottom.
yet.
VRPX literally no bounce.
Is it still going down?
Yeah.
At 20, at 25.82 is the number. It gets below that. Oh, MDGH.
I would say right.
MRNA feels heavy.
I would say right here at 26 is the big, where it just bounced. That was the big area from pre-market.
Yeah, it's just there's a. I got this fib. I think if it gets below that, we're gonna see a big,
yeah.
big drop.
Always forget about those fibs.
Ari
I
getting
think
paid
that'll
here.
be the area where we see it drop down to 20-ish.
In about
Dollar on
20
wet.
seconds, PMCB opens.
I don't want to watch it, dude.
You do. You're watching.
I don't want to watch it. I don't want to watch it. But I'm gonna watch it. But I don't want to watch it. What is this chart? This has been only open for a few days?
Which one?
PMC. Oh, PMCB is trying to be the next VRPX, man.
Oh yeah, from $3.
That thing goes over $10. It's in the same territory VRPX was in.
Bouncing off a 220-ish right there.
Look at the daily on that thing.
That VRP or PMCB.
Or PMCB.
Yeah.
Big support line there.
So I'm saying over that $10, it's kind of what. It's exactly what happened to VRPX yesterday. It got over those all-time highs, held it, and just said, "See ya."
Look at the SPY's daily. It is just crazy to look at. Just, I mean, it's just straight up. It's crazy. You know, yesterday during the stream it said I had like 9 likes. I like went in this morning to edit it and say no trades, and it said I only had 1 like. What was that all about? I was very confused. I mean, not that I didn't care, but I was just like, I'm pretty sure it said there was like 9. Why does it say there's only 1 now?
What's going on?
Even if it does go, my possible money is limited.
This is fantastic. I absolutely love this market.
SGOC 10 seconds.
So happy about this
Veer,
market.
slow and big
Yeah, I'm
co.
not even watching
Chart
that
looks
anymore.
about right
I did
though.
what I wanted to do, so screw you.
SGOC about to open. Oh, nope, didn't open.
Oh, no.
Dude, I'm about to frickin' say, see you later, guys. Have a good day. I'm
No
out.
longer interested at 385 there.
David, I think you meant 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Action in the
Why do
market you
I-
wanted, Devin?
Why do I have this line here?
Looking pretty slow out there, though.
Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet. You got stocks running all over the place.
Nothing for me, man.
What?
Man, these
are
low
we
floaters
gonna
pumping
trade,
don't
if
do
anything?
nothing for me, dude.
They pump them up enough.
LOL.
They're no longer low floaters because they do an offering.
Nah. All of a sudden.
MRNA
Now
much
there's a lot of
appreciated.
shares.
$. On
And
way.
it was not a low float.
The RPX continuing its fall.
Okay, you can go first. This Alf.
You won my 50
All
sub
right, Steve.
giveaway
Don't regret it. You did good.
Hey, you made good money on that.
from way back when.
I did
On
make good
YouTube?
money on that.
Could have made better money. I'm
I
just
was
kidding.
I had way too many shares. I was actually trying to trade out of it after hours, and I ended up
That is
just
forever
holding it.
ago now.
So I really had a
Yeah.
crap load of shares.
I didn't post my stupid CLF trade.
It's like 4 years ago.
It was small green.
I don't even remember what I gave away.
Your trade probably looks better than my
That's
trade on this
stupid
one,
at that
Jag.
point.
I don't know.
I didn't really look at yours either. Yeah, yours looks better. Just because I got in too early and added to it.
Oh, Z-Lisk, yeah. What's up?
Didn't do quite what I wanted to do.
Yeah, I know that name.
Oh, you got in really early on that.
Yeah, it wasn't a big deal, but
Yeah,
made
you're on
money.
the Eastern
yes.
Shore, I think, right? Of
That's all
Maryland?
that matters.
Not making my big monies. I had high hopes, man. Honestly, I mean, AMC is still in this uptrend 100%. Like, there's no denying that.
Yes, a flash
Raised
drive.
back up to
I
almost
think I
high
actually
days.
still have one of my old ones with the old logo on
Who
it.
is
Still not really any volume in it, but
Who?
Array, ARRY.
And I am
Yeah.
so freaking just
I do.
slightly
Still
scattered
have one
today.
of the old flash drives
Veer.
with the old GDT logo on there. A god awful one.
I think PMCB is going to go, but
Still have one. Don't
I
use
do
it.
too.
slowly.
Still have one.
It's going slowly now, and then it's gonna not go slow, and you're gonna be like, should have longed it.
So
I thought you
tempted right
said
here.
beer. Too early.
Me too, man. Me too. And I'm a little
I hated
chicken.
that logo.
Never too early.
That low float with that capability of just crashing down is kind of scaring me.
Yep.
Hoo at B1. RHE 55
Shoot
KTB.
to the heavens here. Getting some volume coming out of nowhere big time. Hard to borrow. $12 per 100 shares, so I probably wouldn't have touched it anyway, but definitely won't be touching it for that price.
Carrot pass for me.
Where's your VRPX trade, Mr. Guru? Oh, look at SGOC with the gap up.
Did it? Oh, it opened, so.
Nice gap on SGOC.
Come on now, Margaret. Oh no.
That's wow. Big gap up.
Thought I lost internet there for a second.
Yeah.
You have shorts on that? Well, it's SSR too, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Again.
Yeah. We do have shorts though. Not many. 50K.
Daily support and descending China in case anyone is investor or swing trader. Baba.
I'm assuming Brian's gonna
Whoa,
take a
what
stab
happened
at
there?
this.
What happened to Baba? It was a $320 stock, now 170.
Long this PMCB.
I figured you did. I was so close to pulling it, and I said I couldn't do it. When it had that dip.
FTB.
Yeah. I'm out over half.
Peter
all
Mary
that
Catboy.
Yes.
happens here.
SGOC being silly.
Alright, let's see if we can shoot over that
SGOC
863,
almost
make me
HTB.
happy.
Well, 845 is the
HTB.
Oh,
Fault.
the summer trading
No,
is killing
damn.
me softly.
I guess I'll hold half of these into a halt if I get there.
Appropriate things. Even though it's an ad.
I'm gonna hold them, dude. Well, moved it up.
RHE
856.
backside starter.
Yeah.
You're gonna go down under 9, aren't you?
$865.
Where's this VIR going?
I posted my trade already, Dash.
VRPX?
I think so.
I even liked it. I'm an idiot. For some reason, I didn't look at the ticker. I thought that was a different ticker. Damn pancakes.
Go, let's do this. Do I hold into this halt like a psychopath?
What are you in?
RHE dollar on way.
PMCB.
Lost $1 on SGOC.
I think I'll sell 100 of these and just hold 100.
Everybody, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the
that's
restroom and
Add
join
into it into the halt.
scanners.
I'm not that crazy. I ain't Ross.
Into the halt.
Oh, you want that halt? Come on, baby, just get up there.
What's the ticker again? Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Papa Marco Charlie Bravo.
It's even better when two people talk at the same time.
One entire
Papa
dollar.
Michael Charlie Bravo. Papa Michael Charlie Bravo.
Peter Mary Charlie Bravo.
Oh Jesus! Shut up.
Chat just if you didn't get them.
Thank you, Jag.
Ari dollar.
Besh, did you get the ticker yet? I can say it again.
I got it because Jag typed it. Definitely not because of you guys talking. Jeez, look at SGOC.
Let's go, man. I'm gonna try to hold this thing, dude. I'm gonna try to be a real a big boy trader.
SGOC halting again.
Is it? Yep.
Guys, I'm a big boy trader.
You're a big boy trader.
Maybe.
Good cut, David. Re SGOC.
70?
764.
What's your big boy under is on?
Come on, dude. Just be the next one to explode.
Hoo. At David.
Why won't you do it for me?
It hates you.
I just want to be in one of these that just massively explodes. I think this has potential, bro. Shoot up to that 891 now. Come on. Let's halt up there.
$45.20 area is a pretty good area.
You wants to halt, bro.
Got a long way to the
891
halt.
is halt now.
She wants it.
There it is, 45.20.
But
We got the 45.09. This.
Harry trailing leftovers.
$8 is my stop. Or 790s.
794.
I don't know wherever I get it.
I mean, if it gets through here,
Got the sell button
yes.
slammed down right now.
46 is the next stop. And after 46, I mean, I don't see anything until 47.50.
Just push or don't push, do something, man.
VIR pretty much straight up.
And luckily it's doing this where I'm very comfortable, but
What's your average?
64.
Say, starting to jiggle
Nice.
there, starting to struggle.
Candle. All the volume was in one candle.
Shoot, man, stay in the all-day
Randomly at
grinder.
9:45.
Walk away.
Didn't move anything.
This ain't gonna be a grinder if we get moving. There it goes. Come on, push, 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 push.
EIR could be dangerous if it got volume, huh?
Yeah, that's why I'm not in it. Brian started this down at like 43.70.
Sorry, man.
That's okay. There's grain on it. Pretty good grain. That one actually got decent share size on. Nothing crazy, but
I just hate how the 9 is up there, Thomas. Just waiting for it to go, like go.
Yeah, it's just sitting there.
Yep. VIR.
I'm starving. Ooh, this thing fake out, break down. Did you jump in it, Jag?
I tried. It didn't fill me.
What?
Funny, it's like if you're long, it's kind of a spot you want to get out because it looks like it's gonna break down.
Slow
I had the
week.
fake out, break up.
I
and then
can't
it
remember
shot
the last
down. I
time
like,
it
"I'm
was
dead."
this slow.
Yep.
Or it wasn't last year.
And I don't know why it didn't
Isn't
fill
it
me. I
crazy to
ordered
think
794.
that last year was the year to like be at the top of your game, and that was when I was at the bottom of my game. It sucks.
Got 791.
So much opportunity last year, and I just
That
was in the
bad
dumps.
kill 'cause I let that button go as it was dropping.
A lot of the good
quick.
traders put in record years last year. I just wasn't prepared.
CLF.
I wasn't there.
Freaking dumpling.
Always next time, right?
Wake me up. Today's been kind of exciting. That was a decent trade, actually. Okay.
I think on really slow days like this, Devin should be banned from the chat room.
How can you call it
What
slow?
are you
We've got
banning
it
people? You
first.
threatened to ban me. You want to ban Devin?
SGOC is going to
It's-
open any second, or should.
Whenever he's jealous.
It did, and it's dropping.
Ooh, it gapped way up again there, huh?
Except when he's
Open.
making money
I guess
and I'm
it
not, and I complain.
actually
He's like, oh.
it didn't gap up. It opened at 628.
MDJH is pushing up again. I don't know. I ain't touching that. AMC is failing again. Let's see. VRPX is strangely holding this area.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, as bearish as it looks, it has not given up this area, which, I mean, you've got to say that's weird.
No, and the 9's coming around.
Yeah, I mean, that's kind of saying to me that that might go. How much am I willing to risk on that, though, dude? you'd have to risk down to this 25.40, which I'm not comfortable with, man. Not even with 100 shares for me right now.
39.
That's a tough one.
Yep.
I mean, the fact that it hasn't tanked below this freaking area is definitely something.
SSY up.
Keep that one on watch. I'll be back. I'm gonna go get a protein bar to keep myself from doing anything too stupid. Fat boy.
Oh, just so bad.
MRIN up.
BRPX. What you watching, Jag?
PMCB.
5.50 plus would be good there. Daily pretty trashy.
I'm calling it at 11 today. I'm not gonna bother. And there, what's the hand? I see that. GOCU. Or did it even halt? Or is it just running again? It's just running. That's a crazy one.
What's up?
SGOC. It's a dead cat bounce if I've ever seen one.
I just made a little bit on PMCB. I got out at the right time too, so.
Boom shakalaka.
not the bounce I wanted, but it was a bounce that I got. So,
Verb up.
Yeah.
2.20 please.
When you see him try so hard to sync it and it's not syncing.
yeah. VRPX just took another $3 drop or $2
It's a
drop.
Zoom thing. Something
Went
stuck
to my
on it.
level
It's like a
window.
Zoom.
Yeah.
Yep.
They gave up that little area.
Yeah, 2064 is its next area on, according to me. But
Watching Verb. A little lower priced, but it's making a decent move.
so that's the sign of that thing ain't doing jack.
And that one's on SSR too.
Is it really?
Yeah. A $2 stock on SSR.
It's a little easier for a
On
low
Verb.
price stock to get there.
That's true.
Well,
Yeah, it's from yesterday. Yeah, it's from yesterday.
IHT 89K.
Well, cool. I guess.
I'll be right back.
See you tomorrow.
Doing that for
SGOC
just
could
that
be the
chart.
one.
SGOC, another circuit breaker up.
Man, that thing's crazy. Come on, give us out. FOMO pop. Come on. this little hand. I don't understand why, or like where it even came from. But it's saying this when it comes to zoom in data.
Oh
Then
boy.
market chart.
SGOC at and whore.
I understand why it's doing that. Also watching MRIN as well. Want that up through 550 for sure. Or float there. What's Verb's float? 56, yeah.
The officially super slow.
Yeah. You guys are so talkative in the chat today that the Stream Elements bot is overlapping itself.
MRN a little bit on this pop SS.
New York mayor's getting sued by restaurants because of the vaccine mandate.
MRIN and Verb both DCB to UB. MRIN getting better.
Come on, give us a pop.
Order filled.
That was the pop we wanted originally. Really don't want to add there. That was the pop we wanted to get filled on. Hey, how am I
Ready
up
to
here?
halt up on PMCB.
Did we... I'm so confused.
PMCB is making me angry now. Did you get back in it?
Order cancelled.
Should have waited for that pop, but it was starting to jiggle there.
That
Took
one
the
really
chance.
has no news either, which kind of makes me skeptical.
Yeah.
I looked it up. There's nothing here.
Really don't want my ad to be that close.
Look at that. It's gonna halt.
I just said get ready for the halt up on PMCB.
Yep.
And there it is.
Get a little here, I guess.
Now it's down at $8. I should have been in this.
So it wants to keep going.
I should have stayed in it and added it when it got lower.
Oh man, hindsight's 2020.
Order filled.
What's your thoughts on
Order cancelled.
MRIN?
He likes the stock.
Yeah, I'm in it. It's taking me for a little bit of a ride here, actually.
What's your average?
Order filled.
75.
Order filled.
Keep going.
Order cancelled.
I think he just said the U.S. is giving booster shots to all Americans November 20th. Here we go.
As long as they're free.
As long as they're free, I'm down.
How's your wife?
Got my leftovers, you bitch.
Is your wife all better today?
A little bit.
Oh, MRIN, dude.
Yeah. It's crazy.
That looks like the fake out. Look at AMC.
I was ready to add through 6, but let's see what it does.
You watching PMCB for the open?
Yeah. So it can make me nauseous as it goes up. I mean, even if I was in, I would have got out before the halt anyway.
Order
The
cancelled.
halt's right here, so another 2 minutes.
Order cancelled.
Wake me up. Here.
Come on, come on. The old 2 pennies.
20 seconds for PMCB.
And go. Can't jump in this, man.
Just need to get back through 70.
Did you just buy out of that
Assume
hole?
we'll at least
No,
get
I thought
down.
about it.
IMVY up.
I was hoping it would go down a little bit.
IMVT asterisk.
Just gonna go.
Penny. I thought 66 is where it
Next
went
fall
last
from
time. It's
68,
fine.
I think. Oh no, 1007 now.
Order filled.
Yeah. Stop it. I have day. Put a range order in. Wanted to keep it there in case for some reason I had some kind of crazy flush. Low range 544. We're gonna try to get back down. I found this. This is a level off the hourly. Looks like pretty good support at 539. So just looking for that 550 flush. So we'll do 46. Just looking for that flush. We'll do 47. I might get 50. And then what's the high? So we'll do what's the top of this candle?
You get in?
Order cancelled.
No.
Yeah. Good trade there.
See, I'm a little sleepy. And this is looking a little crazy.
See what it does here. If it flush. Just
I don't
went
know if I'm
through VWAP. It's trying to use VWAP. I was gonna see if it tried to get the 50 and kind of held. Probably would have took it. Ideally, I'm just gonna move this line. We would want this area to hold, right? It wasn't really resistance, but it did come down and use it as support twice. And now we'd like to obviously see it be used as resistance here. Kind of what we're looking.
feeling this thing's just gonna get to run without me.
Didn't do verb. All over MRIN.
See it dip
Same.
under 9.
Sam. But would you consider it DCB? LOL.
Missing this far.
I'm having a little bit of trouble here. It's holding this 59. See if it can ladder down here towards 50. If it does, we should get a little flush.
Momentum is rumbling.
There. Really hoping it would get down and at least try to test 50. Really thinking I want to move this down to break even. Because again, we want this to be used as resistance at this point.
Aerating back some, still want a little higher with some speed.
That was nice about that one from yesterday, that VRPX, is it wasn't like halt fast, you know?
Yeah.
This one's already kind of started to be a halt fast.
So we're just looking for that 50 test and possible flush. No matter what, we're taking this off after a 50 test. It's just a matter of whether we get the flush through or not.
Debating on if she should give you that under 9 or not.
To be honest, I'm about to just take it because it's really, it's just leftovers and it's not really
I don't even know
worth
if I want it if it gets there now.
less than 10 cents. I was really hoping it would at least test 50. Sec here. Say 50. If I see 50 now, let's take it. It's going to be a little break. It's our line in the sand. Not looking to let it go back through 60 at this point.
Insane.
I want it to test 50 here. This is it's as heavy as it's going to get.
That volume's crazy.
So if it finds
Isn't this
support
like a 2
here,
million?
then it's ideally going to make a decent little bounce. But right now it's using view app.
It's only rotated 50 times.
Order filled.
Took it off there. Got 59. Not going to be upset about it.
Carat 19.20-ish ideal.
Get all out of MRIN Vesh.
Yep, just did. I was really hoping for the 50 test, but it doesn't seem to want to try it.
A nice win though.
Yeah, it worked out.
You got a trade.
Yeah, finally.
You didn't have one at all yesterday, right?
I did in the afternoon. Yeah, Alf. That one was a fight.
I remember that.
The one that wasn't that fun.
Yeah, that one was not fun. Of course, MRIN with the little fake back through view app here. Now it's gonna try it again.
So how much did Matt Az lose on VRPX?
Yesterday?
All of it.
Hey.
Oh, you're saying today?
Everything.
I don't know. He might not have played it, but then again, he was talking about it all day yesterday in the after hours, so he probably did.
And the people talking about it are getting to him now.
Yeah, anytime somebody says something like he did, like, oh, it's funny to see all the trolls, like, I'm not going to let it get to me, like, it's obviously already got to you.
Too late.
He's having doubt now because he's losing big money and he's not making it back like the next day or 2 days later like he was.
Yeah. 55 minutes ago, he said, better action today, PMCB VRPX. So obviously he's not in a bad mood.
Yeah.
When did that dump happen on VRPX?
About 9:50. That's when it started.
Oh, so that was about when he posted, so.
So haven't heard anything since.
The calm before the storm.
Yeah.
Then it goes silent and he's like,
Yeah, I mean,
it dropped to 29 and now it's $6 less.
I mean, yeah, if he got in, like, even after that halt, I mean, it never bounced. I mean, even that little bounce is not really a bounce.
I can figure it dropped from 36 down to 29 and had a little bit of a bounce and then dropped again and then just continued to drop. So,
oh
Yep.
gosh, I just want to go to bed. Ay, man. I had high hopes that I was going to be insane today, and I kind of was a little bit.
Pops to drops working on MRNA, using $400.
Not exactly what I had in mind.
Round number blah blah blah. Carrot, well done.
The RPX is making a little bit of a move right now.
Do whatever one wants.
MRNA trail for me.
They're interested. I'm not watching that one at all.
PIRS stalking it.
We got PMCB
You in it?
up, but I don't know. Feeling this vibe, dude.
A brain isn't like the same place. It's scary.
Right?
NVMD just saw it. Good job.
Like Brian says that all the time, and I'm like, how? Like, how? How do you know?
About what?
They always say trading the pops to the drops, like, or like I'm hitting the pops, you know, to the drops kind of. It's like, well, how do you know that that's the top of the pop?
Did he answer?
Not yet. I just asked. I mean, I'm sure there is no answer. It's just a matter of, I don't know. Like, I mean, I know there's probably a lot of feel involved with that.
What is he talking about?
Well, it's Alex right now. He's talking about mRNA. So he's just hitting the pops and covering the drops. But it's like when it made that pop right there from 394 to 402 or whatever it is, it's like, how do you know that that's going to stop at 402 and not just continue to high of day? And I guess you don't, but it's like, I don't know. I don't really see a trade plan there. I guess if you zoom out, that was yesterday's high as well. It was a pretty key level. It was MRIN. Finally got through 50.
PMCB is about to dump.
Would have made my chart look a little better, but it started to curl. I'm not upset with that last cover there.
Yeah, I'm tired now all of a sudden, dude. Got a few trades and I think had the adrenaline going and it's gone. Went away quick today.
NNDM
Words
sorta
never
up.
read. You want to see what a 50-50 trade looks like. PMCB.
Yeah.
This could dip. This could rip. Ugh. Somebody hitting the bong.
Yeah. Somebody's got it.
Good hits from the bong. That thing looks like it's winding up to do something, huh? PMCB?
Yeah. Love to get
Right
in.
now, it looks like
Where it's going to unwind to.
right now it looks like it's gonna fall. But back up to the top of that little range, it'll look like it's gonna fly. I can't trade that crap.
KXIN interested 3.60-ish. If fast.
I don't know, man. I might join Vesh and call it a day early today.
California man scared by bear in dumpster, trips and falls. Now he's suing Nevada condominium.
I think you should sue the bear. I guess it's their fault for allowing a bear to be in their trash can.
Do you know where Incline Village is in Nevada? Is it close to you?
I thought you said it was California. Oh, it was in Nevada?
Nevada. He's from California. Oh, this happened. I have to post now. It happened in 2019.
Are you serious?
He was walking his dog, and he went to go throw out the dog crap in the dumpster. And he opened the latch, and a bear came out. And he fell down and twisted his ankle.
Oh, it's up by where, by Lake Tahoe. Oh, there goes PMCB.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get it. It's gonna halt. It's gonna halt down now.
And it did halt.
Yeah.
I'm sitting here reading about Incline Village. It looks lovely.
And Nevada's waste management for the defective and malfunctioning dumpster because the bear scared him. What the fuck is wrong?
I've never gone to Tahoe. I kind of want to go.
ESGC
Let's go
Vaughn.
now.
Plenty TB.
It's where my best friend's getting married.
In
Tahoe?
Tahoe?
Lake Tahoe. Yeah.
Dude, you're gonna be close to me, bro.
I was actually talking to the wife about going out early to go to Vegas. So maybe. It won't be until next year sometime though. I don't even think, because he was supposed to get married this year, but everything got pushed back with COVID.
Tahoe looks fun, man. I gotta get out there. It's just so far away. For me to drive, let's see how long it takes to drive to Tahoe.
I've been to Vegas probably 10 times, but I've never actually been to Vegas to like go to, you know, do the other stuff. Shows, Grand Canyon, you know, stuff like that. So that's kind of what I was thinking. If we come out early, like do all that stuff. Yeah. Come visit my online bestie.
That's a 7-hour drive for me, man. That's pretty far.
Oh, I meant like if we come to Vegas first.
No, I'm just talking about Tahoe.
Oh yeah.
Or walk there in 135 hours.
I'm actually wondering what they're gonna do for their food for the wedding, because that's what they do for a living. Like they're chefs, and so it's like I wonder if they'll like want to cook their own food for their wedding.
Oh, they ain't gonna want to cook for their own wedding.
Oh, you underestimate him. Has nothing to do with the money. It would be more about like he just wants it to be perfect.
For me, it wouldn't be about the money. It's that I don't want to do stuff for my wedding day. I want to get married. Doggy. So weird. Khabib from the UFC is now going to be a soccer player.
DCB, closer to X.80 interesting. Hold price 0.72. Re-ESGC.
Well, at least we got a trade today. Let's.
I'll be there.
Do, 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 do.
Today's been kind of a halt fest, huh?
Yeah. 15 seconds for PMCB.
Do I care?
Yeah.
I don't feel.
What else do
I
I got?
don't feel. I don't feel like I really care.
You care so much, it hurts you.
I don't think I do, man. I don't think I'm gonna take it.
You're going to take it. You're in now.
Am I in?
You're in now. You
Oh,
just don't
crap,
know it.
I am in.
I'll be right back. I gotta go help with lunch.
You're gonna miss.
I know. I'm gonna just get in and just let it ride. I'm gonna
That's a
play
good
Steve.
idea. All right, do it. See anything with Wild Javesh, whatever your name is?
Damn, call you my online bestie and you don't even know my name.
You know who I'm talking about. That other dude, that guy, he created the room, I think. God, what's his name?
Dickhead McGee.
Dickhead McGee. Oh my god, dude, I'm so tired, and this market is so not making me want to stay here. Although something's probably going to break away today. Good lord, why is everything at the bottom when the SPY's at the top? That's very confusing.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this stream off. I'll be in Discord for probably like another 15 minutes, but then I have some stuff to do today. Got one trade in. Can't complain here on MRIN. Started a little bit early. It just seemed like it was jiggling, and I didn't want to miss it when it went through 50. But the real entry should have been here at that 568 area because it did give it to us. And then those two ads would have definitely been there. It was a nice move. Got the one ad at 580, and then it made the move up to 6 and just got absolutely rejected. So we hit the button there. I'm looking for that to be the reject. Took 66% of the position off here. It did try to go higher again after that. Was looking for an ad up through 6 at that point. Didn't get it, and then it worked its way down. So was looking for this flush here. We had our order at 47, 46, I think, 47. It was I was at 44. So that would have been funny. I wonder if we would have got filled. But we would have definitely took it off before it went back up through 50. But it seemed like it was holding support here, started the curl, and so we took it off, but it did ultimately end up failing, which, whatever. It wasn't that big of a deal. That was just a leftover. So ended up being a decent trade. And hey, one trade's better than none, I guess. And it's going to do it for me today. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. See you later. Peace.